Okay, so here we've got our rail. We've got all our assembly parts. So we've got our harness, which we will deal with in a moment. We've got our injectors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've recommended to them that we should get a new rail for this because the rail actually has quite a bit of, it's not really contamination, but rust. And eventually the rust will probably come off and clog the injectors again, but this is a commercial boat, so they want to be up and running as soon as possible. And unfortunately, these rails aren't actually made anymore, and they're very expensive, and they'll take a while to get. So they just want it done today, and then if 6 months down the road it fails, then, you know, it is what it is. So these are Merc 81 injectors. There's a little piece right here that you can clip onto, and then what you can do, you can use a little bit of 2,4-C, kind of spread it on the O-ring to help it go on the rail. Ooh. Oops, come on. There we go. Okay, so we've got that. This is our number 1 cylinder, and our number 1 is going to be this one right here. Now this changes, this isn't universal, this changes depending on your manufacturer. It can be one side, it could be the other. Okay, our injectors are done, so now what I do is I lube up the O-ring that's about to go into the intake manifold. There we go. This also helps prevent corrosion because these injectors on the 8.1s especially get stuck from corrosion. It doesn't happen in the cars because there's usually no corrosion there, but in the boats these things get crazy stuck. So it's okay to have a little extra grease on them. It won't hurt anything. Cool. Alright, so that's done. We'll head down to the boat. Okay, so here we are. Our nice little engine.
Good. We were on standby last night for this big rain, and it didn't even seem like it rained last night. How'd things go at the shop?
Oh, the injectors were bad. Yeah. They were nasty. I got a picture for you. This is gonna be crazy. So we got a picture right here. So this is the rust that was coming out of the rail.
Oh shit.
And then this was what it looked like on all the injectors. That's one of your injectors.
Can you send me those pictures? The cable was anywhere in any of this.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not just here, but
yeah. So we cleaned the whole thing out as much as we. It's on, okay. Battery switches are on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a fuel sample. Let's see what our fuel looks like. I mean, there's no water in it. That's kind of crazy. So no water in the fuel. We'll key on and do a fuel sample there. Injectors are plugged in. Regulator's plugged in. Okay, cannon plug is back in. Let's take a look what we got. Nice and clean fuel. So we'll plug our lines back in. This thing will probably have to key on and off a few times. Let the air out. Key on. Got air in that fuel. Oh, look at that. She is running smooth. Let's take a look at what our vacuum is, because it was way different. Okay, 15, perfect. It was at like 12 before. Let's start the good engine. So there you go. Running so much better. So if we put it in gear, and we unplug number 7, we should hear it drop. That immediate. So number 7 is now firing. Number 8 also was not working, so let's see about that. Yeah, an immediate drop. So now we've got an immediate drop for both cylinders, so both cylinders are working how they should. So let's start hooking it back up, let it get up to temp, and see what happens. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like it and share and subscribe. It would really help the channel out. We just try to help you with any kind of repairs you might have. This one happened to be an injector repair, and with the injector, this engine started running absolutely buttery smooth. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to help, or any kind of comments you want to add that maybe help in diagnostics for other people. Feel free to leave that as well. Alrighty, until next time, thank you so much for watching.